Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And all we have to do right now is to enter the settings. So let's tap on this icon in this upper bar. Now we've been transferred to the languages. I've got only one language applied, so let's start with tapping on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. Of course, you can scroll and find the language, or you can enter the name of it, so it's up to you. Simply tap on the language you'd like to apply, and after that we will be transferred to this section where we can choose the keyboard layouts. So it's up to you. Of course, you can choose like 2 or 3 or more, but basically the whole idea is to mark the option you'd like to use. So I want to use this one and tap on done, and my language has been applied to the keyboard. And before I'll show you how to remove the language so you will be able to apply only one of them, I'd like to get back to the keyboard to show you how to use it with 2 or more languages added. So as you can see, fortunately, right now we've got the hint of how to do it. Actually, we've got new icon, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch through the layouts. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, especially useful if you've got the keyboards that are similar in different languages. Alright, so now I'd like to show you how to remove the language. Let's go back to the settings, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see we've got only one language applied, the language of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.